Press the button. Where's the word leaf? Leaf.
Leaf. Red.
Where's leaf?
Sun. Red.
Touch leaf. Awesome.
This is bike.
Yeah, that's a bike. Where's the word bike? Awesome.
Duck.
Duck. Touch the word duck. Very good. What do you think that is?
This
It's a bag.
bag.
Where's the word bag? Very good, Smarty Pants. That is a fly.
Yay!
Do you see the word fly? It starts with an F. Fly. Very good.